Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Interactive Brokers app crypto trading, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Interactive Brokers app for crypto trading, start by locating the app on your device. If you're using an iPhone, locate the Interactive Brokers app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says Remove App or Delete App. Confirm your choice by tapping Delete. For Android users, open the app drawer to find the Interactive Brokers app. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the options provided. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. If you're on a Windows computer, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. Select Programs and Features. Find Interactive Brokers in the list of installed programs. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. For Mac users, open the Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the Interactive Brokers app. Drag the app icon to the trash. Empty the trash to complete the uninstallation process. Once the app is uninstalled, restart your device for optimal performance. Check that the app is no longer available on your device. You have successfully uninstalled the Interactive Brokers app for crypto trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.